What's up guys? Today we're going to look what I bought on Amazon.ca on the 2020 of May. A tripod. This is a Amazon basic tripod that I pay less than 35 bucks. It comes with an nylon bag when it's time to bring with you. The length of this tripod is going to be 62 inch or 5'1". This is made aluminum, and this everything the rest it's plastic. The max load we can put on this guy is going to be 6.6 pound or 3 kilo. Weight of this it's going to be 3 pound, and you have an handle here to bring it with you. And the tripod it's closed like that. The length it's going to be 25 inch. Okay, this tripod have two bubble view. Let me show you. One here for the tilt when it's time to tilt, and you have another one here to be level. On this tripod you have those rubber feet. You can move, so like that is going to be level on the floor. Rubber. Want to stretch only that part here, you unlock and you just need to turn and you stretch it and coming back. If you want to tilt by the front or the back, you need to unscrew it. You can tilt by the front or by the back, and voila, screw it. If you want, you have a quick release here. Just turn it, take it out, put it back. Everything's okay. Okay, I hope you like this video. I forgot to mention this tripod is 1 year warranty, and don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you.